I think accents are 100% a thing, and whether it's board and batten or shakes or whatever you want to do, accent pieces on the homes are great, and mixing materials. So there's a great aluminum line that looks like real wood. We might do that in an entryway, but we wouldn't do it on the whole house. We work with a company called Fypon. They make pediments for the peaks or different little accents around the overhang. Anything we can do to set that house apart, make it theirs, and bring that design element into it. We truly make the homeowners a part of the design process, and show them, we like to show them what can be done. Now, if they choose to go that route or get a piece of ideas here and there, that's fine. Or they want to go simple, we obviously do that too. But we try to show them everything that's out there or what's possible. That way they have all the options on the table, and then they can make the decision that best suits them and their home.